Hello all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. If you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always watching our videos, coming back and watching them, liking them and commenting on them. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these nesting tables, and also I'm going to be showing you how I did repair one of my clients table. The table was big in size, so she wanted me to resize it and make it and remake it, that is transform it. So make sure to stay tuned to the video till the end and enjoy the video. So now here, as you can see on the screen, I'm starting by joining the pieces together, and that is basically what I'm going to be doing. And I'm going to be using this machine that I bought some days ago, this Makita welding machine, to do this job today. Yeah, so these tables comes in pairs, that is two, the bigger one and the smaller one. So the bigger one has a diameter of 70 centimeters and the smaller one have a diameter of 50 centimeters. That is so that the smaller one can fit in or inside the bigger one. And then the heights, the bigger one have a height of 45 centimeters and the smaller one has a height of 38 centimeters. So that is basically the measurements for these tables. So keep watching the video, and if this is the kind of videos that you like, kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. Now after I'm done with making the frames, this is how the design looked like. This is the design my client wanted, so this is how the frames look like. And so now I'm just going to be doing or making the tops for them, and I have these boards here that I'm going to be cutting out the tops for these two tables. And for this one, I'm going to be using a rotor machine. I have a rotor machine because it is going to cut out a neat circle for this one. And then later on, but you'll see in the video, you'll see that I'm going to be painting the edges of these tops, but that one is in the video, you will see it. And after cutting out the tops, this is how the complete setup of the two tables will look like. So this is basically how it will look like after I'm done with it. So now I'm going to be painting the frames, this gold, chrome gold, and then this is the paint that I'm going to be using to paint the edges of these tops, as I said earlier. And after everything has dried, that is the frame and also these tops, I'm going to be joining them, and I'll be using 1.5 screw nails here, as you can see on the screen. And then I'm going to be showing you the final reveal. Make sure to tell me in the comment section what you think about these tables. So the other thing that I was going to be doing is this table. As I said earlier, this is a table that my client ordered from someone, but she didn't want the size of this table because it was too big, and also she wanted me to transform it. That is the paintwork and also the top. She wanted a mirror top, and that is what I'm going to be doing. So now I'm just going to be disassembling this table so that I can remake it. That is, I'm going to resize it because it has a diameter of almost 90 centimeters, and she wanted the normal or the standard diameter, which is 70 centimeters, and that is what I'm going to be doing. Then off camera we did resize the size. As you can see, I'm just cutting off the extra parts of these frames, because you can imagine it was a bigger one. So after resizing it to 70 centimeters, there is a lot of excess. That is why I'm going to be cutting them off, and then I'm going to be reattaching them and start the process. And then I'm going to be painting this table black and then placing a top which is mirror. Then after that, I'm going to be showing you a small final clip on this one. Also tell me in the comment section what you think about these tables that I've shown you today. And if you haven't liked this video till this far, kindly do so, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.